Hi kids! Welcome to Kids Cute Drawing!
Hi little artists! Today we are going to draw a super cute umbrella and learn beautiful colors together. Let's get started. First, let's draw a big umbrella shape. Awesome! Did you know? An umbrella is very helpful. It keeps us dry when it rains, and on hot sunny days, it gives us cool shade. Wow! Umbrellas help us in rainy weather and sunny weather too. Umbrellas are amazing. Now draw the little curved lines at the bottom. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun drawings. Wow! It's already looking like a cute umbrella. Now draw the umbrella handle. Perfect! Now let's draw two big shiny eyes. Great job! Now draw a happy smiling mouth. Oh, our umbrella looks so cute. Let's start with sky blue. Wow, sky blue looks so beautiful. Now let's color the next part. Yellow. Amazing. Yellow looks bright and happy. Now let's color sky blue. Beautiful. Now, yellow. Fantastic! Sky blue and yellow look wonderful together. Now color the handle. Awesome! Your umbrella looks colorful and happy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and subscribe for more fun drawings.